Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Forex Tech Magazine. It's your host, Lewis. And if you're looking right here on the screen, you see looks like a picture of DMX. So listen to a little motivational music before we got started today. Check out that little freestyle that he had going there. I think it was the with No Clout. It's pretty hot. Freestyle. I'm old school myself, so I love like some DMX, Wu Tang Clan, things of that nature. And also too, I got pretty eclectic. A lot of little the old school stuff, man. Just mix it up. Always is good. Can't never go wrong with that. At any rate, let's get into this trading session here. I want to give out the disclaimer real quick before we get into this. And the disclaimer goes a little something like this: any and all information that's given to you by or is shared with you by Forex Tech Magazine should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing that we share with you should be considered to be uh, investment advice. If you are looking for investment advice or financial advice, our suggestion to you then would be to seek out the assistance of a licensed, competent advisor. So, with that being said, let's jump right on into this trading day. This right here, what we're looking at right now is the Aussie US dollar. This is something we're doing for another currency pair, which we're not going to get into at the moment. So, let's get out of here and let's get into the Great Britain pound. Now, unless you've been under a rock for the last 72 hours, I'm pretty sure you heard about some definite movement within the Great Britain pound. It looks like there was a deal worked out for Brexit with Spain. Of course, there's some pushback, I think, from was it Ireland or Scotland? I can't remember. But anyway, for the most part, it seems like they're moving quietly forward here with some progress with this currency, with this whole Brexit. Now, with that being said, I think most people anticipated there was going to be a push up right here at this resistance line. And you see right here, there was a gap up on Sunday, and then price proceeded to retrace all the way back to where we're at now. So the question is going to be, will price go back up again and then continue on upward? And that's what we're going to try to discern tonight between the time that we open this up and the time we get out of here. Is there a trade possibly on the board here for us to take? Now, typically I don't like to buy at resistance. I'd rather short at resistance, but this may actually be an opportunity to buy at resistance. Let's just kind of see what's going on here. Let me get out of this here. Let's get out of this here. This. This right here looks like it could be challenging. I'll be honest with you, this rate doesn't really look like much of a setup other than something to continue to short. It's bouncing from the short. It's bouncing from the low. pretty interesting here. Let's see, break it down on the hourly chart. All right, so if we do decide to buy this right here, take a light position. This would be a stop loss, and then we look for a buy entry above close. And the only reason why I'm even entertaining this is goes against my better judgment, just because we're at a support. But if we look over here, there has been some type of resistance here in this area over the last couple of weeks or last couple of days. Boom, boom, boom. Price was able to break over above that resistance, and then it became support. Boom, boom, and now boom. So this could be an indicator that this price really is reversing at some point here, and that if we are able to go in and take a position and put a stop loss below here and do an entry up here somewhere, there's potential to make money on this particular pair. So at any rate, it's one that we might want to, if we're going to trade today, which we'll look at a little bit deeper after we get out of here, it's something that we'd be very cautious in trading. Not something we're going to go over the top in trading. Something that we'll trade very cautiously and continue to watch its development. Okay. Remember, stop losses and take profits on this one right here. Take profits is probably going to be somewhere up and around here. Let's see. That's 94 pips. That's not bad. $10 a pip is $942. It's not bad. Okay. But we'll look and see. By the time this makes this final candle, by the time we make this complete this 3 o'clock candlestick today, we'll know for sure if it's something that we want to do or not. Okay. Let's look at the next one real quick, which is the Great Britain pound, Canadian dollar. The one thing that kind of makes me like leery about this is just that we're coming off from resistance, and I just don't believe in buying off of resistance. That's why I want to do a little bit further research. It's going to take a little more than 5 or 10 minutes to do the research, just to check and see if it's really something that we should be doing. And that just involves me delving a little bit deeper into currency pair, maybe looking at some fundamental information as well, along with the technical information, just to really get some type of confirmation that this is what I want to be doing. Because like I said, typically I'm selling off for resistance and buying on support. So let's see here. Expand, expand, expand. Price goes down, price comes up, price goes nowhere. And if this logic is correct, then that means that because the thinking, fundamental thinking behind is that these other Great Britain pound pairs should be doing as well as doing good too, if it's positive news for the pound in the market. So that means everybody should be experiencing some type of good information. But as you can see, it doesn't look as great as we would hope to be. Alright, so let's see here. Mm, once again, this is one of those things where we could go in. It's coming up off the support line. Boom. 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 I'm gonna tell you this is ugly, and I don't know just because it's the first week, first day of the week, last day in this month, last week in this month for this trading period, or what? Because we came off this holiday, but this stuff it's like ugly times are ugly out here, and definitely got to be careful when we're going into this type of market. Let's see here. Definitely got to be careful. Definitely got to be careful. Oh man, oh hell no. This right here is the Great Britain Pound Japanese Yen. You know how I feel about this particular currency pair, man. This is like my nemesis. Saying I can never get it right on this one. Once again though, it's arching up around. So the question is, will it get there? So it looks like it popped up. I still have a hard time trading this one. And the reason being is just because I know how this pair moves. It doesn't take much to get it there. It's gonna be tough. I'm gonna tell you, man, I know you probably don't want to hear me say this again. I'm gonna stay out of the trade. Here's what I'm gonna do because I haven't traded anything in the last couple of days, and I know it's exciting for us to see trades going taking place. So this is demo money anyway. So these are not the most ideal setups. I'm gonna go ahead and place one. Let's see something. I want to see something on the euro. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna place one. And the reason why I'm gonna do it is it's not the most ideal. It's not gonna be the most ideal trade that I like to do. But I'm gonna place it just because I see a little nuances in here that I think that should mean that price is gonna be going up. And one of the things that I see is that higher lows, right? See, there's a low here, a little bit of a higher low, a little bit of a higher low. Right, so it could mean the price is gonna be moving up. I think that's pretty freaking weak. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't know what I was doing. This one was playing around here. Let's see. Let's see here. I don't know. I mean, nothing in here says like strength to me. It just pretty much says sideways and still no type of real direction. So I'm just trying to look some news information here. Let's see, check out this news feed. It's still clear. Seeing the upside action, but from the news yeah, so that's what I'm saying. It's like it just seems so thin. I mean, you would think that after that information came out, this thing would like push higher, but it's not. It's just kind of sitting there. So that makes me think that either A, we need some more money coming to the market, see what the American market is gonna do. It's going to give it a direction. Excuse me. Or just pull back and just wait. Um, right there, let's show you that's a shot. It's just like, I don't know. Just looking at this information here, it's just like, it's crazy, man. It's on the economic calendar for tomorrow, for this week. Let's see what we got here. Trying to see if there's any big news coming out this week. Not just speeches, but actually like reports releasing information. Consumer confidence index. That's coming out. Tuesday. Alright, so Wednesday should be big for the US dollar. Okay, so we should probably be seeing some. Oh, think probably see some dollar strength coming in, and then kind of weighing off after Wednesday or Thursday. Okay, so yeah, we got some information that's coming out. It's gonna be pretty good through the pipeline this week. For the U.S. dollar and for the Canadian dollar, and also like some stuff for the euro as well. So what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna advise you to do, stay out of this right here for right now. this stuff still doesn't look good, and it looks messy. It still looks messy. Give it another day or so, and kind of let it sort itself out. Let it go through the market at 24. You know, let it sort itself out, and then we can look at potentially getting into a pair. Let's see this one is. Oops. The only one that really looks kind of appealing right now, maybe. Nah. Yeah, I get what yeah, you get all types of stuff happening. I stay out of the market right now. For at least the next 24, 48 hours, see what's going to happen, and then as the market kind of starts to correct itself, starts to get some direction going on, then look to get into it. But right now, I stay out of it. So there's not really much to say here tonight or this morning. I'm gonna get out of here. This is gonna be a really quick, easy session. Market looks too choppy for me to really want to get in here and do anything. If you see something that you think looks good, go for it. Me personally, I prefer to wait, get better trades than to go out there and jump in and force a trade and take something that's crappy and lose money, because I hate losing money. I don't think it's, even if it's fake money, I don't want to lose it. So anyway, just a habit. And I think it's a good habit to develop, and it's a habit that I'm gonna stick with for right now. So anyway, I'm gonna get out of here. Tune back in tomorrow, and God bless you, and talk to you soon. Take care.